The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic has been generating quite a buzz with multiple leaks ahead of its expected July 2025 launch. From high-resolution renders showcasing the smartwatch's design to details about its internal hardware, the leaks provide a comprehensive look at what to expect from Samsung's latest wearable. Same chipset, different strategy? According to information uncovered by Android Authority, Samsung may not be introducing a full hardware refresh for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Deep within the One UI 8 watch code, a string reveals that Samsung is opting to use the Exynos W1000 chipset, the same processor found in the Galaxy Watch 7 series. While some tech enthusiasts might be disappointed by the lack of a new chipset, Samsung could be making refinements elsewhere to enhance user experience. The smartwatch may focus on software optimizations, better battery management, and improved health tracking capabilities rather than relying solely on a next-gen processor. Codenames and model variants revealed. Another major revelation in the leaked One UI 8 watch code is the existence of 3 internal codenames. Fresh 8, likely the standard Galaxy Watch 8. Fresh 8 Small, a compact variant of the standard version. Wise 8, presumably the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Despite the internal naming, the official lineup will consist of Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Size and connectivity options. Samsung appears to be following a familiar strategy by releasing multiple size options. The Galaxy Watch 8 will come in 2 versions, while the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is expected to debut in just one size, 47mm. To accommodate different user needs, Samsung is likely to offer both Bluetooth-only and LTE-enabled models. Is an older chipset a deal-breaker? In the fast-moving world of tech, sticking with an older chipset for a new smartwatch may seem like a questionable choice. However, for the majority of users, the internal hardware of a wearable often plays a minor role in purchasing decisions. Consumers tend to prioritize factors such as battery life, design, fitness tracking accuracy, and overall functionality rather than focusing on chipset specifications. Samsung may be relying on One UI 8 watch enhancements to bridge the gap, ensuring smooth performance and meaningful upgrades despite using the Exynos W1000 processor. Expected launch and what else is coming. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, alongside its standard sibling, is expected to debut in July 2025 during Samsung's annual summer event. This launch is set to coincide with the unveiling of Samsung's next-generation foldables, including the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. With multiple leaks already revealing crucial details about the smartwatch, the official announcement will serve to confirm, or potentially disprove, some of these early findings. Until then, Samsung fans can look forward to more surprises as the event date approaches.